Okay guys, this was question 4 from the problem solving section of your homework. Now, what it told me was that I've got a straight line and a curve that pass through the points A and B. It also told me that a different curve passes through the same 2 points, of which is of the form including x's and p's and q's. So I need to find p and q. So what I'm going to do to start off with is find A and B. Once I've found A and B, I can then deal with this situation after. That's the key important bit, which I know I can find the points of intersection of a line and a curve by solving them simultaneously. So y is equal to x minus 1, meaning that y also has the same value in the other one as they intersect. So x minus 1 is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 8. Once I've got this, I can try and solve this for x. In order to do that, I'm going to make it equal to 0, because I can't solve a quadratic any other way. Minus 6x minus 7. I can quite clearly see now that this is nice and straightforward. It's going to be a minus 7 and a positive 1 in order to multiply to make minus 7 and add to make minus 6. Okay? This means that my values for x are minus 1 or 7. These aren't yet a coordinate, so they can't be the points A and B until I've found their corresponding y values. So I'm going to substitute this x into the most simple of these two equations, which is this one here. So the y value is the x value take away 1, which means that my y must be minus 2, and this one, my y must be 6. So my points are as same. I'm just going to label them A and B, but it doesn't matter which way around they are. Once I've got those two values, I can now try and establish what my P and Q are. I know that this curve crosses through point A. So I know that this x and this y work in A and work in this one just as this one does from B. Okay? So what I'm going to do is take my x value and my y value and substitute it into the equation. So y, which is minus 2, is equal to p, and q lots of x, which is minus 1, take away 2 lots of x squared. So what I've got here is minus 2 is equal to p minus q, take away 2. These are going to cancel out, and I know that my p must be equal to q. Okay? Still don't know what p and q are yet. So I'm going to now try and take my other point and see if I can get some more information. So again, substituting my y is equal to 6 and my x is equal to 7, I've got y is equal to p add q lots of x, take away 2 lots of x squared. So 6 is equal to p add 7q, take away 2 lots of 49, which is 98. Okay? Now, at this point, I know that my p and my q are the same thing. So really, I've actually just got 8 q's. Okay? I'm going to add this over here, and what I've got is 104 is equal to 8q. So I simply want to divide that now. So how many 8's go into 104? We can split that into an 80 and a 24. There are 3 in 24 and 10 in 80. So altogether, q must be 13, and therefore, so must p. So p and q equals 13.